Hi everyone. For this question, again, we are asked to find the relative frequency. The relative frequency is defined as a percent, which is the part over whole times 100. So to do this question, we first need to figure out what the whole is. The whole is going to be all the students that were asked in this little table. So to do that, I got to add this all up. So I'm going to do 7 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 5 plus 7. Let me make sure I have all the numbers here. Just double check. 7, 7, 8, 9, 5, 7. Great. And so now I just need to add those up to find the total. So to do this, let's see, 3 7s is 21, plus 9 is 30, 8 is 38, and 5 looks like 43. Alright, so to find the percent, I need the part. So at this point, I'm looking at the question to find out what will be the number that goes in the numerator. Alright, so it says, based on this distribution, find the relative frequency for the class with a lower class limit of 23. So in other words, I'm looking at the ages and I'm looking for a class that starts with 23. Here it is, 23 to 26. So what I'm looking at is, because this is the lower limit of a 23 to 26 age group, I want to count how many or what proportion, or what is the relative frequency, of the 8 students that were in this bin. So what I do is I come over here and I do 8 divided by the 43 that I found from the total, and then I multiply by 100 to make it a percent. Alright, so let's do that over here on the calculator. 8 divided by 43 times 100 equals. Alright, that's a pretty messy decimal. So let's write that in here. So we get 18.60, and we'll go 5 because the 6 behind this 4 would round that up to a 5. Let's see how many decimal places I need to round this to. Give your answer as a percent rounded to 1 decimal place. Okay, so it appears I don't need 3 decimal places, so the answer I'm going to put into this will be 18.6. Because if I'm looking at 1 decimal place, I look at the 6, and the number behind it is a 0, so it's not 5 or higher to tell me to round that up to a 7. So the number I just have to put in here is 18.6. Do not write the percent sign because it's already encoded at the end of the question. So that is the percent, or the relative frequency, of the number of students in the bin width starting with 23. Alright, I hope that helps. Good luck.